Schwabangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpek, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, pen yo kloy ki kubor na ke jela.
Mynta ke sngi ke khat sau terik Rymphang arhaja arpulai na kaliang nongialam ke seng Kongres kila leit kynduh ya CEO Bah Fedrick Kharkongor ban Mudui Pyrshah ya Kong Phidalia Toi Kaba long ke chairperson jong Women Commission Bladon Bynta ban Mih Kyrshan yu Kyrtong ke NPP na West Jaintia Hills Bah Wailadmiki Shylla hak sngi thep kyrteng.
Yeah, we came, he wants ban ujor, namanta I chairperson yung Women's Commission, ba idon banta hakajing file nomination, yung iwi candidate yung party NPP, ha West Jaintia Hills, Bah Wailadmiki Shylla, tingiwan ujor katakin, hangni.
Kaya itry ka nakaliang CEO.
Ba kiday ban weng no, yaka post, naka-post yung chairperson, but ayu like for him to be disqualified.
We want
Yeah.
the candidate to be disqualified,
Yeah.
as well as the Women Commission to be removed because she has violated the Model Code of Conduct and she has also violated the People's Representation Act. So it is, we have come, our senior MP, Mr.
It is
Benny
a
is here.
clear violation of our election rule and election procedure. So it is not only the chairperson, it is the candidate is also more responsible for that. So our demand, our submission is disqualify the candidate as well as take disciplinary action against the concerned chairperson. That is our demand.
Yes. To the notice of the Chief Electoral Officer, all over the Shillong city, the posters of the Prime Minister and the Home Minister are displayed on the government buildings and on the government poles, the electrical poles. So we requested them to take action to remove those posters immediately because it violates the Model Code of Conduct.
And what was the assurance from the CEO?
They said 100% they will verify and take action.
They have taken cognizance of the event and they will take action on that.
All that we hope, because the election commission will act according to the law and the election rules. We hope the election commission will take necessary action and immediate action against this violation.
Thank you.
Both the cases.
Both the cases.
Both the cases.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah, the kinigi members of INC, Iwan Mantan, naga national level, Manwan Kynduh, Halor Alaiti Kipang, Kawai Kade ka complaint, Hapa Jaintia Hills, West Jaintia Hills, ki ujor ba, I don't know if members of the Women's Commission, snoktilang but official candidate, Jong West Jaintia Hills district. The ki ujor haka on the basis ba since it is part of the Women's Commission, the day by in Edon Ktilang but kanika wrong by in Penpao by Edon Ktilang but no official candidate. The ngala interest ya ka complaint to ki siya additional CEO belong in charge of the Model Code of Conduct, but ilalong nagkat ni mane. But naliang jong in sa pan ka report now DC West Jaintia Hills halor kanika complaint the Maria yok the report in sa long in say take further steps on this after we get the report from the DC of West Jaintia Hills.